Jason, passionate chemistry lover. Scientifically baked story by Chemist Roland. Meet Jason, a passionate chemistry lover. From a young age, he had always been curious about how things worked and how different substances reacted to each other. Every day, Jason would wake up and make himself a cup of coffee in his chemistry-themed mug, complete with a scientific design. At home, his bed was adorned with periodic table elements, printed bed sheets, and a chemistry-oriented carpet. He loved discovering new chemistry-themed creative items to modify his unique themed scientific collection. Whenever he encountered a new substance, he often conducted experiments in his home lab, using his chemistry set to create new compounds and observe their reactions. When Jason got tired after doing so many interesting chemical reactions, he used to take a nap on a sofa bed, wearing a chemistry-inspired blanket on him. It was his procedure to play chemistry-themed football on football grounds, wearing chemistry-inspired sports shoes in the evening. The boy used to run vibrantly and efficiently on the ground, likely to electrons moving around the orbit of an element. He loved his chemistry car like nucleus loves its electron. Every day, he took his periodic table elements modified car to transit from one place to another, so he could donate his friendly electrons to nearby friends, close to the core of his heart. This quality made him famous in his social orbits as an alkali metal. He often enjoyed chemistry-themed parties and events like Halloween and birthday parties. It was Jason's birthday, and his family and friends had planned a surprise party. As passionate chemistry lovers, they knew to do something special to make his day unforgettable. So he was invited by them by a special chemistry customized card. When the passionate boy arrived at the party, his eyes widened in amazement. As he gazed upon the cakes and decorations, he was unbelieved that they had arranged a chemistry customized birthday party for him. A closer glance at the test tubes showed him the chemicals were different types of frosting, resembling pure chemical substances. He liked the idea of a scientifically baked cake where Jason, a frozen frosting topper dressed in a laboratory coat, was playing with colorful chemicals on the cake. The bright red frosting in the test tubes resembled the color of copper, while the green frosting in the beaker reminded him of the color of chromium. The yellow icing in the conical flask prompted him to the color of sulfur. As he cut into the cake, he was greeted with a perfect representation of the beauty of chemistry, blended in perfect harmony. All his friends and family sang to him, "Happy birthday to chemistry lover, happy birthday to crazy Jason." His friends started presenting him with gifts, themed around his love for chemistry. His happy mother transferred him a loving hug, containing an electronic kiss on his forehead, with identical contented protons of the smile. He kept all precious gifts on a table, to display their chemical energy of love for chemistry inspiration. With a mischievous grin, Jason's sister presented a painting of chemistry where many chemists wore white lab coats holding scientific apparatus with greenery everywhere. He beautifully sang the periodic table songs at this chemistry-oriented birthday party. A table setup was in the corner of the room with various chemical compounds and beakers. Jason's family had organized a hands-on chemistry activity for everyone at the party. Each guest chose a compound, followed the instructions, and created a colorful reaction. Laughter filled the air as test tubes fizzed and bubbled with vibrant hues. The scientific birthday party ended with a bang, as Jason's family surprised everybody with fireworks. It was as if different chemical elements came alive, with bursts of vibrant colors in the sky. Here's another scientific story for you, by Chemist Roland.